There was muted optimism on Wall Street today amid more mixed signals. First thing this morning, there were reports that China was open to reaching at least a partial deal. But late today, there were additional reports that even those expectations were being lowered by Chinese officials. Investors lately have been getting used to such mixed messages, but clearly anytime there's even a hint of a potential truce in tensions between the world's two largest economies, stocks rise. And that's what happened today. The Dow Industrial Average rose 181 points. We're to 26,346. NASDAQ gained 79. The S&P was up 26. Kayla Tausche tells us what to expect when the two sides meet tomorrow.
For the first time since May, the U.S. Trade Representative and Treasury Secretary will receive China's Vice Premier on their home turf to continue negotiations for a 13th round as the trade war drags on. Reuters reporting expectations from China for a deal are low after U.S. banned business with 8 Chinese tech giants. Here's how President Trump responded to that.
I think they feel that I'm driving a tough bargain, but I have to.
In earlier reports, Chinese officials suggested they're still open to a partial deal and are willing to buy more soybeans from U.S. farmers after pausing purchases this year. That potential sent soybean prices soaring. The administration has previously said that's not enough. But a truce would bring a welcome calm, says one former White House negotiator.
I think it's a way that the president can essentially have his cake and eat it too. He can say, look, I made progress on some real significant things, but I'm still tougher than anyone else has ever been with $250 billion in tariffs in place.
The specter of tariffs rising next week is just one of many pressure points both Beijing and Washington have added in the days leading up to talks to try to get more concessions. Both sides have announced new visa restrictions. Economists, though, doubt China will back down.
What's not there is support for them to stop supporting their state-owned companies, which is basically their welfare system, or to shut down their new technology efforts.
The principals begin those negotiations Thursday morning and extend through Friday afternoon. Tariffs on $250 billion in Chinese goods rise to 30% on Tuesday. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Kayla Tausche in Washington.